Welcome back to a new video on how to fix. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix data not working on Snapchat. If you're using your cellular data to access Snapchat, and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. The first thing that you need to make sure is that if the issue is with Snapchat only, or is it with your cellular data that you're using. So to check it, you can open up any other applications such as YouTube or any other application and try to see if your data is working on those applications or not. If that is not working, the problem is with your SIM card, and if that is the case, then you will need to directly contact your SIM card service provider. But if it is only with Snapchat, what you can do is open up the settings of your phone and then search for manage apps on the search bar. Tap on the manage apps option. Now this is going to show you all of the apps that are installed on your phone. Just search for Snapchat, and inside of this setting, under restrict data uses, make sure that Snapchat is not restricted. So if your SIM card is restricted on Snapchat, you won't be able to use Snapchat using your data. So make sure you uncheck this, and after you do that, you should be able to use Snapchat with your data without having any issues. So those are the couple of things that you can do in order to fix data not working on Snapchat. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.